Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Adab, hello, Data and Skill Explorers. Welcome to DivK Learner, a bit forward daily. Today we are going to explore grouping, bookmarks, and best practices. So, what are we going to learn in this session is how to group bookmark for clean management, how to rename and organize group, regional view, yearly analysis, and best practices for naming, organizing, and resetting views. स्टेप बाय स्टेप ताकि आप इस कॉन्सेप्ट को अपनी लाइफ में रियल प्रोजेक्ट्स में अप्लाई कर सकें. इफ यू आर न्यू टू माय चैनल मेक श्योर टू सब्सक्राइब और अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आ रहा है तो लाइक करें और शेयर करें उन लोगों के साथ जो इसे यूजफुल पा सकते हैं. सो लेट अस ट्राई टू एक्सप्लोर एंड चर्न डेटा टुडे. चलो शुरू करते हैं. सो अगर आप देखें तो ये पावर बीआई डेस्कटॉप में मैंने पहले से ही एक ग्रुप बना रखा है जिसका नाम दे रखा है रीजनल ग्रुप और उसमें नॉर्थ, ईस्ट, वेस्ट और साउथ ये चार बुकमार्क मैंने जोड़े हुए हैं. सो देयर आर if you see I've already created a group called regional bookmarks group and it has four different bookmarks: north details, east detail, west detail, and south detail. Now what I want to do is I want to group these two together. So what I'm going to do is I'll do go to the electronics, select electronics, and here you see it is giving an option for group. I will click on the group and it has started a group and it has put that in electronics. I want to rename it. I want to rename it as the favorites. But in favorites, I don't want one bookmark. I want another one as well, the furniture. So I'll just move it here. So in the favorite, you will see you have electronics and furniture. So we have created two different groups of the bookmark, right? So now you can see that it is clean to manage and work on, right? We can use it in the bookmark as well, which I'll be covering in a different video altogether. I just wanted to show you the bookmarks that you can create, the groups of the bookmark that you can create. Now let's just talk about the good practices, right? So you should always give clear and meaningful name to the bookmarks and to the groups. You organize related bookmarks into group. So when you do that, it is easy to manage and it becomes very clean management for you as well. You need to create a home page for resetting to the default view, which I've already shown you. You need to hide unnecessary visual before saving and delete unused bookmarks to keep things clean and simple, right? So मैं जो बोल रहा था वो ये था कि अगर आप बुकमार्क इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं तो उसके साफ, छोटे और मीनिंगफुल नाम दीजिए. आप उसे हमेशा ऑर्गेनाइज करें रिलेटेड बुकमार्क्स को ग्रुप में. जो ग्रुप बनाना मैंने आपको आज सिखाया उसमें रखें और अपना होम का बुकमार्क जरूर बनाएं ताकि कोई भी यूजर इजीली उस पेज तक जा सके. और अगर आपके पास कोई विजुअल हैं जो उस पेज पे नहीं ज़रूरत है तो उन्हें हाइड कर दें, राइट. और अगर आपके पास बहुत सारे बुकमार्क्स हैं या फिर आप चेंज करते रहते हैं बुकमार्क्स because of the different usage in different year or different product, तो आप अपने bookmarks को जो unused bookmarks हैं उन्हें आप remove करते जाएं clarity के लिए ताकि आपका जो system है वो साफ रहे. So ये थी वो बात. The topics that I've covered in the last 5 videos are basic and default state. We have talked about the report versus private bookmark. We have talked about button plus navigation with bookmarks, and we have talked about using bookmarks for drill through and selection. And we have also talked about the bookmark tricks and best practices. So we'll be talking about some more things related to the bookmark when we'll be talking about the bookmark navigation in another video. So that is all that I wanted to talk about at the moment. I am conducting a live webinar on this week end, that is 7th September, between 11 to 12. So do attend it. I will leave the link in the description. And if you have any questions, you can ask me. First of the question is free, and then there's a cost, a charge for each question asked. This is for mostly for the freshers, and the questions that you're asking, it really depends on the intensity of the questions, right? So that's what you can do, and I'll be happy to hear from you in the comments, and would reply you if there is any question in the comments as well. So that's all, folks. Data and skill explorers, you just moved one step forward in your learning journey. बस आज इस वीडियो के ज्ञान का सफर यहीं खत्म होता है, लेकिन याद रखिए, रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस ही आपको एक्सपर्ट बनाएगी. रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस करते रहें और आप एक्सपर्ट बन जाएंगे. इफ यू फाउंड दिस वीडियो यूजफुल, लाइक एंड शेयर इट, और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें ताकि आप कोई भी नया लेसन मिस ना करें. थैंक यू. I'm your skill and data explorer peer, Div K learner, a bit forward daily. See you in the next video. Tab tak, keep exploring, keep churning.